Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if the iOS 26 beta update not showing up in your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device. So if the iOS 26 update is not showing up in your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem. So first of all, here you'll need to make sure that your iPhone device is compatible with the update. If your device is not compatible with iOS 26 beta, then you will not be able to install iOS 26 in your iPhone or iPad device. So make sure that your iPhone device is compatible with this update. You can check from Google that which devices are compatible with iOS 26 and which devices are not. So after that, here you need to open any browser on your iPhone device. Then here you need to search for beta.apple.com. Then after that, here you will need to enroll your iPhone device with this beta update. Here you will need to sign in. Here you will need to sign up your Apple ID on your device. Then after that, your device will be enrolled for iOS 26 beta program. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here make sure that your device is enough charged. If your device is not charged, then you will not be able to install this update in your iPhone device. Then here make sure that your device is enough charged. Then after that, here you need to again open settings. Then here tap on general, and here you need to tap on software update, and here you will need to make sure that automatic update is turned on from here. Here make sure that all these toggles should be turned on from here. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here make sure that you are connected with strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then here you need to disconnect with Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile phone data, then here you need to turn off your mobile data and turn on again and check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next question. Again, open settings, then tap on general, and make sure that your iPhone device date and time is correct, and the set automatically is turned on from here, and the time zone is selected correctly from here. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next section. Here tap your Apple ID profile. Then here you need to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device. Then after that, sign in again and check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution, tap on general. Then here you need to tap on iPhone storage and make sure that your device has enough storage. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here again open settings, then tap on general, then here scroll down, and here you need to reset your iPhone device. Here tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. So after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and iOS 26 beta update will be showing up in your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos.